Okay, hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. Okay, today I'm going to talking about UILabel. That UILabel is a class implement a read-only text view. You can use this class to draw one or multiple lines of static text, such as though you may use to identify other part or your user interface. The base UILabel class provides support for both simple and complex styling of the label text. You can also control our aspect or appearance, such as whether the label use a shadow or draw with a highlight if needed. You can customize the appearance of your text further by subclassing. Yes. Totally is UILabel using to views as the static text. For example, I want to show the hello world text. I can use UILabel to add it to the view to your user interface. It will view your text. Okay, let's go ahead to create together. Okay, let's go to the first. We need to go to the view controller. I want to show you how to create UILabel programmatically. Okay, here we can write the code in the view below. Let's say frame label. Its data type is cgrep equal to cgrep cgrep. You can use integer or double and also float. I can say float. I can say 0 from the top, 0, and I can say UI screen dot main dot bound dot which subtract 20, so I can increase x to 22, and for the height I can say 50. Okay, I can hide this thing. Don't worry about the warning, because just a warning when we not yet use this variable. Xcode is recommend us to use the underscore. Okay, one more thing, I want to create an instance from UILabel by using label UILabel equal UILabel frame. So I can put my frame that I just created is a frame label. Yes, it means I create a UILabel that has size. This is the size which equal to the screen width of screen subtract 20. height 50. Okay, let's go. One more thing is set the tag into our label by say label dot text equal to I can say somrithchhean. Hello. Okay, so now I can align the text to the center, and then we need to add the label to the view. Okay, let's be and run to see the result together. So we need to wait a little bit because it launching the simulator, because this is the first time that I running a simulator, so take a little bit of time, so please wait a bit. It will show up. Okay, it's so up now, and we need to wait a little bit. Okay, I see nothing because maybe the background is white, color white, and our text is white 44, so we cannot see the text. So I can change the view background color equal to gray, so it makes easy to see our label text. Then run again. Okay. Okay, as you can see, this is our text, our label, because it's from the top, because our y is 0, we can update it to the 15 to let it down. Okay, then run again. Okay, as you can see, this is our label. We cannot see the frame because I didn't add any background to our label. If you want to know the frame or UILabel, you can add the background color to it so you can see the background. Yes, alright. That is the background. So here, this label, it's display because we add the X20. So the frame from this screen, between the screen to until this label, it's 20. So why don't need free space in display? Because we just subtract 20 if you want to space in this 20 equal this free space, you need to subtract 40. So you will see from the left and right it have a free space 20. Okay, boom. Like you can see, this is our label. Okay, let me explain about the property of our label. The first one is text. Text is a property that we need to assign any kind of static text into our label. As you can see, I just assign hello somrithchhean to the label. And one more thing is tag alignment. Tag alignment is used to align our content, our tag, our content of a label. Here, align it to the center, to the left, and also assign to the right. And one more thing is a background color. As you can see, it just the most important properties. Yeah, as you can see, you need to background color to set the background of UI color. Let me introduce more property that you need to use when you're working as an iOS developer and working as a UI interface designer and working with auto layout and site class as well. Okay, let me introduce a new property. It's called number of line. Number of line. Set it equal true. Let me explain what is number of line property in UILabel. When you make a label and set its text to be more than a single line that it can display, it will be truncated and you will see only one line of text ending with 3 ... This is because a property called number of line is set to 1, and therefore only one line will be displayed. It is a common mistake in handling UILabel, and many people think it as a bug, or they may just more than just label to show more than a line text. But just edit this property. We can tell UILabel to accept up to the specified number of line. For example, if you use this property is set to 5, the label can show 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5 line on the data. Okay, so as you can see, when I set the number of line equal to, it means your UILabel can display 2 line when have a lot of content. Let me show you about it. Okay, let's be and run to see the result. Okay, boom. As you can see, it can display only 2 lines. When the text is many more than 2 lines, it will show 3 dots. As you can see, when we change it to the 3 lines and build and run again, it will show the 3 lines without 3 dots. Yes, alright. What's the problem is why it's still so only 2 lines? Because of our height or level, let we change it to 100 and then run again. Okay, let's see. It will show you 3 lines. Okay, one more case is how did you know how many characters in your UILabel? If you don't know that, you cannot set the number of lines to specify the line or your content or your tag in your UILabel. So we can set the number of line equal to 0. We can set this property to 0. However, this doesn't mean that it won't accept any line. Instead, it means that the label can have as many lines as needed. It means infinitive. infinity line. It means we don't care about the content. We just know if our content have a lot of character, it automatically create a new line to fit our content. Let me show you. When we run this application again, when we set number of line to 0, but we still see the 3 line in our label. Boom. Yes, as you can see, it still shows the 3 line on your label. Okay, one more thing is okay, let me explain about more is font property, that you can set the font, any kind of font to your content. You can say label.font equal to UI font. Yes, as you can say UI font, and I can put the name of font, and also size. I can say H, and let's be and run again. Let's see what it changed. Yes, as you can see, when we set our font and change the size font, it will set your font to the 8. Okay, and we change it to 15 and run again. Okay, as you can see, our label is changed font, and the size of font is 15. And one more thing I want to show you is we can change the size of your label text without changing the font name. We just try like this. Label.font font, you can stop it, width size, you can set it to 18 as you want, and let's be and run. When you write like this, it means we just increase our font to the 18 without changing the font family. Boom. Yeah, as you can see, we didn't set the font family. We just change the font size. So you can use this line to change the font size without changing your font family. Okay, but one more thing, I want to introduce you more about the text color. Text color is the property that you can set the color to your text. I can set it to the red color, so it will change it to the red color. Boom, as you can see, when we set the red to the text color, it will change your text to the red color. It's easy to understand, but I just want to show you and to introduce you the property for using UILabel. Okay, one more thing I want to introduce you more about I can delete the line. About the size to fit, I can say label the size to fit. What does it mean? Size to fit is suppose you have I want to suppose you have a label on your storyboard, or you have created a like this, create a programmatically, and to make change is visible, we already changed the background. But what is the size to fit? The function size to fit is used when you want to automatically resize a label based on content stored with it. It means it will fit your content depend on your wish or your label. Yes, let's be and run to see the result. Okay, as you can see, here, size to fit is meant your width or your label depend on your content size. You can see if you try to change it to hello, just hello, when you run it, it will change. Okay, as you can see, it will fit your content. Okay, I think you understand about it, and I want to delete this line. Okay, alright, so one more thing, I want to show you how to create a UILabel in the storyboard. Let's stop the run and go to the main storyboard. That is our interface builder that we need to design our UI application, design a user. When you want to create a UILabel, the first thing you need to do is go into the main storyboard and go into the inspector click display, it will bring you to the inspector. As you can see, attribute inspector. So you will see this. You can click this to create a new file, and click this to create a code block, and create this to see the object library, and this our media file. Okay, what you need to do is go into the object library. That in this is a list of our object, and scroll down, you will see a lot of things like view controller, type of view controller, collection view controller, template controller. As you can see, split view controller, a lot of things that you can use to design your UI interface. And scroll down, you will see the label. Yeah, this is the name, but in the class you can say UILabel. So we need to drag this in our view controller, and as you can see, you can drag it. Okay, you can set double click on it to update the value. I can say hello world. Boom. And you can set the background by scroll down. You will see the background. It's called in its attribute inspector, it's called background, but in our property in the code is background color. You can say you can click order to select a color, as you can see. Okay, let me show you about like this one. You can change the text color by this property, its color. You can say this, and you can change the font size. Okay, and one more thing, you can align the text alignment. You can align to the left, to the right, to fit the screen or fit the UILabel, and you can center it. I can say center it. Okay, let's be and run, but before we need to run it, you need to close this code because I don't want to it anymore. Okay, let's be and run. Boom, as you can see, this is hello world. Boom, 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 boom. Okay, hope you enjoyed this tutorial and hope you understand. And if you have any question, you can ask me in below this video. And if you like it, please like this video and share the video too. And one more thing is don't forget subscribe my channel. We need to update any new video so you can get a latest video. Okay, hope you enjoyed this tutorial and hope you like it. Please like and share and also subscribe. Okay, goodbye. Good luck. See you in the next tutorial.